Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsea and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be another clothing haul, so hopefully you are excited because I love clothing hauls, as you can see. Today's clothing haul is featuring ShopJadoreFancy. If you have not already seen them on Instagram, they're like a big clothing brand on Instagram and they have some fire fits. And just a disclaimer, y'all, some of these items are not like my style, but I'm gonna show you like maybe what you could do to like rock it out and just make it pop. Again, I am filming on my camera, on my front camera. I know somebody recommended that you can do your back camera, which I know that's true, you can do that, but girl, I like to see what's going on. I need to see what's going on, so we're gonna have to just rock with this front camera. Hopefully you guys like it. And before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you set your notifications on here so that you won't miss another, you know, another slay with your girl. This look on my eyes, y'all, is fire, by the way. Just thought I'd say that. Let's just go ahead and get into the try on haul. Girl, so the first item is this little reflective piece, and it's a dress. I'm going to show you what the bottom looks like. This is what the bottom looks like. Like really short and reflective. It's actually a look, sis. Like, even though like some of the pieces, like I said, are not my style, you could really do something with this. Like, sis, you can zip it up if it's showing a little too much for you. You can zip it up, giving like motorsport reflective vibes. As you can see, it's reflecting, and it just fits like right up under your boobs, which is nice. So you don't have to like go all the way down, but if you're going out, sis, it's high key a fit. So with this piece, you can actually just put on some clear heels, and you can do like maybe a silver bag, some type of upscale bag though, to make it really come together. But this is actually a fit, sis. Like, honestly, sis, come on now. Stop playing with me. Yeah, girl, I hope you see the potential in this fit because it's actually a look. And the sleeves come down longer, which I do like that they come down like that. You can actually poke a little hole in there and you could be on a whole different vibe. I actually may wear this out. Just saying, it's real cute. Yeah, this is definitely giving me motorsport vibes, but you can like definitely dress it up and make it a little bit more classy. But you can definitely dress this up, finesse this, and make it nice. So yeah, again, this is the top. It's like really reflective. You have these pieces, and I like how it's showing up on camera too. And it comes long, so you got, if you have long arms, this is perfect for you if you have long arms. Okay, sis, so yeah, on to the next fit. But this is a winner. I feel like we can do something with this. We can definitely make it work. And that's on period poo. So this particular fit is like a real life motorsport vibe, for real. I'm not sure if I per se would wear this because it's like super colorful, super bright. Like the other orange piece was bright too. It was like a reflective bright piece. You can still make it work. So this is what the top half looks like. It's like really bright and really vibrant. Look good. And then the pants come down. Okay, sis, so that's what the bottom looks like. Again, it is still like a motorsport type vibe. So let me show you what shoes I would pair with it to make it actually like, you know, make it lit. Okay, I will put it on with these shoes, and these shoes are like I don't know what you call these, but I got these from Miss Lola Boutique, and this is what I would pair them with. As you can see, they're like a snake print, and then they have the one toe. So if you have your feet done, girl, have your little black bag. So it's really not for my girls that are like basic, not basic, but you just want like just a white, black, neutral type of girl. This is more so like, I'm trying to step out a little bit, and you can zip it all the way up, but I feel like if you're gonna wear it, just go ahead and wear it down, girl. Gotta get my thumbnail. Okay, girl, so on to the next look. Okay, girl, so on to look number 2. This is more like dressy, like you got somewhere to go. Probably like maybe like a dinner, you know, like a special event or something like that. Or if you're just going out with your girls, this is that look. So it's a dress, and hopefully it's a dress. I'm gonna cover up my boobs because I'm not sure what you can see right now, so I want to make sure that we good. Because I seen this on their website, ShopJadoreFancy, and then I seen it on their Instagram. Ari had it on, and she looked fire in it. So they sent me over this piece, and I don't think you can see anything, but yeah, so they sent me over this piece. It's like a turtleneck type vibe. They have like rhinestones. I'm gonna show you that. It's like a nude piece, so it's not like too bright, which I love neutral colors like khakis, black, nude, all that. So it's that type of vibe, and yeah, it's really cute. Let me show you the bottom, girl. So this dress is a little bit short, but it's not too short. Like, it gives you that happy medium type of vibe. Again, I would put on perplex heels with this. Maybe just like some cute little studs. Call it a day, my little clutch. And you'll be in action. Okay, so we have 3 fits that you can make work. And yeah, they fit the body good, okay? Let's just say that they fit the body good. So far, that's one thing I can definitely say about ShopJadoreFancy is that they fit the body good. Like, for my thick girls, for my girls with curves, and even my little slim thick girls, like, they got y'all too. So I'm like slim thick, you know, a little bit thick, but a little bit slim. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this clothing haul so far. We have 2 more items, and I'm gonna show you what they look like next. Your girl is out of breath. All of my items are in a size large. This is the next to last look. It's more so brunch. I'm showing up and we finna be lit, and that's on period, poo. I feel like this would look better. Like, let this button go. Honestly, let it go. Let it go. Now we gotta look with your new bag, and let me show you the bottom, girl. Okay, guys, so yes, this is the next to last piece. It's really cute, though, to be honest. Like, even though this is something that I probably wouldn't go for, it's still cute. And you can still make it, like, as dressy as you want or as casual. Like I said, I'm out of breath. Yeah, it's actually a look. It looks really good on my skin tone, and with my makeup, it's looking really good. This is actually kind of cute. I'm not even going to hold you. It's kind of cute. As you can see, like, it's kind of pulling right here. So, like I said, I would just, you know... Mama, don't judge me. But I would honestly have to just wear, you know, show a little cleavage, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't like the pulling effect. But let's go to the last look, you guys, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I cannot lift my arms up because it's that season where you just don't be shaving for no reason, okay? Like I mentioned before, we do have a piece that gives you beach vibes, that gives you, you know, vacation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on a vacation. And this is probably what I would wear, something similar to it. Again, the colors are a lot for me, sis. But I'm sure you can pull it off. Just get you a black bag, you know, some black sandals, and you're in the game. But it's really cute. I like the little cutout that it has on the side. It's really cute. So if you have, you know, some little tattoos, or if you have something that you want to show, or if you just slim and trim and you did your job over the winter and you want to show these people what your body looking like, boom. And then you want to show these girls, you know, how hard you've been working, boom, there you go. So let me show you the bottom. I'm probably not gonna be able to get the whole entire bottom in this video, but yeah. So hopefully, sis, you were able to see like what the bottom looks like. It does have like 2 slits on the side, which is really sexy too. So it's not like a straight up maxi dress. It has like the cutouts. You got the cutouts, and then you have the slits on the side, which makes it really sexy and beach appropriate, or just vacation summer vibes. You know, it's finna get hot. It's finna get real hot outside. So you want to make sure that you dress appropriately. But yeah, this fits really good. It feels really good. It's not too tight. It's a size large too, girl. Yeah, I think that's it. The only thing I would say, like, if you're straight, I don't have no hips. I got a little booty, you know, little booty. I got a little booty. So, yeah, if you don't have hips and stuff like that, I'm not sure how it will flatter your body, because it makes me look even more straighter because of how the patterns are. But that's not to say anything is like wrong with the dress or anything like that. It's just the way my body shape is. So that's it for this clothing haul. I'm gonna change and get back into my romper, get back comfortable, and we're gonna get back with you. Okay, guys, so that is the end of my clothing haul. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, ShopJadoreFancy, for sending me over these items. Hopefully we can work together some more, girl, because obviously y'all got the looks, okay? And we want to see more. Thank you so much, ShopJadoreFancy, for sending me over these items. Like I said in the beginning of the video, although some of these items may not fit me, like my style, but I'm pretty sure that, you know, it's gonna fit somebody that has seen this video. Follow your girl on Instagram so we can get me up to 20K. Did you follow me yet? Yeah, you. Did you follow me? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and set your notifications so that you won't miss a slay with your girl, Chelsiejayy. I love you all so much. As usual, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.